Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here to share with you the results of my beet dyeing that I did yesterday. I'm super happy with the results. You can see here how pretty they are. They range from a very soft pink down to almost a plummy burgundy color, but we will get to that in a second. I just wanted to share with you some of the pieces, and look at this. I wish I had dyed more of this actually. Oops, I just dropped something and it hit my cord. Oh well, the issues of doing videos. Anyway, here is this beautiful shabby flower that was originally white, and the edges are just slightly darker than the centers, but I love how pretty it is. It's like a dusty pink color. It's so lovely. I just really like it. And here is the muslin, which of course is wrinkled from being dyed, but I'm really pleased with how it came out, and I'm going to iron it and then probably make flowers with it, I think. It's super pretty. There's like some spots on it that are darker than others, but that's okay because when you fold it, like in some of the creases here, I really like that. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but see how that's darker there in the crease? But when you make flowers with it, it'll probably look really cool. And then this is probably my favorite. This was originally white, and I've tried dyeing this with several things. It's never taken the dye, but it did take the beet dye, and it's the most beautiful dusty pink color. It's so pretty. I think I'd like to get some more of this trim from Craft Supplies for You and dye it, and it's even in the avocado dye, it's never taken on a pink like this. So the beet juice definitely worked on this trim. I love it. And then this one I like too, because as you can see, some of it went the dusty pink and then some of it stayed white. So now it's like a two-tone color, which I love. The seam binding turned out amazing. It's so shabby and pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. I did quite a bit of that, so that'll hold me for a little bit, probably not too long. But again, when it was drying, some of the edges got a little darker. You can see right there that it's a little bit darker, but I don't care. I love how that looks. It's sort of an ombre look. And the doilies, of course, the cotton came out a little bit darker than the other pieces, as you can see here, but I'm super pleased with them. I did take them out on camera, but I put them back in for a while and left them in there for a couple of hours and then rinse them. And you can see, again, after rinsing them, some of them came out rather ombre looking, and I absolutely love that effect. So one side is darker than the other, which is because I guess that's the side that it dried on. So the liquid went through. But I love that it's two-toned. I think that's so cool. So they came out really nice and super soft. And then, of course, the loopy flowers. Look how amazing these are. Love the color. Love the color. So, yeah, I think, these are one of my favorite things to dye because there is no limit to the color. If you get the cream loopy flowers from KS4U, you can dye them any color. So very cool. This is just a cotton trim that I dyed. Again, they need to be ironed, but This is also a cotton trim from KS4U. I think that's the right way up. So that came out fairly dark, but the top is a little lighter because it was hanging. So the darkness tends to go down. But again, it's like an ombre, so I love it. And you can cut these flowers out individually too, so that's cool. And then this beautiful piece, beautiful dangle trim. That was originally white. This is the edge of a doily, and again, it's darker at the top and lighter, so I love that effect. And then this is a little, well, not little, but it's part of a trim, but they're applique pieces. There's a flower and a leaf, a few leaves there. So that came out a super light pink, and then this one came out a light pink, but the tips of the dangle are quite dark. So really cool effect. So that is the results of my beet dyeing, guys. I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm going to be using some of these pieces today. I'm going to be going live very shortly with Sam. Hey, Sam, the Scottish crafter, and I'm super excited about it. I know Sam's excited too, and we're going to be making some fun projects, and mine involves this. So I'm going to let you guess what it might be. That's part of my project for my live, so stay tuned for that. But I'll be back soon, guys. I really hope you'll try the beet dyeing, though. I loved it. I thought it was a fun thing to do. And I've got something else I'm going to be trying soon, which is onion skins. I know, sounds weird, but onion skins. I've been collecting them for a while, so that's going to be my next experiment in fabric and lace dyeing. So stay tuned for that coming up probably next week. But I will be back in about almost an hour now with Sam, and we're going to be having lots of fun. So I hope you guys will join us for the live show in an hour. So take care, everybody. Bye. See you soon.